close to my heart. Chance கொடுக்க மாட்டேன். இல்ல நானே அத மண்டைய உடைச்சிட்டு அத என்னோட உயிர் போற வரைக்கும் அத நான் பண்ணிட்டே இருப்பேன். அந்த பாத்திரத்துல அந்த அவ்வளவு ஷைன் வேணும்னு நான் யோசிக்கிற போது என்ன ஆகும்? அந்த கூட இருக்கிறவாளுக்கு நான் அவளோட தன் கால்ல நிக்கிறதுக்கு ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி இல்லாம பண்ணிருப்பேன். இது மாதிரி நீ பாத்திரம் கழுவலாம் அப்படிங்கிற ஃப்ரீயா அவளோட விதத்துல அவ தன்னோட பொட்டென்ஷியல் அவளோட பளபளப்புங்கிறது என்னதுன்னு அவ புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்கு நான் சான்ஸ் கொடுக்காம ஆகுறேன். ஸோ ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் பாதிக்கப்படும். அதுக்கப்புறம் என்னோட ஈகோவும் என்னோட ரோல் நான் பொய்யா நினைச்சிருக்கேன். நான் தான் இது, நான் என்னோட கிச்சனை பர்ஃபெக்டா வச்சுக்கிறவனா அப்படிங்கிற ஒரு இமேஜை பொய்யா கிரியேட் பண்ணியிருக்கேன். அதை நான் வளர்த்துட்டே இருப்பேன் unknowingly. So I'll be building my ego. So these are the choices. So am I going to be in a position to impact my relationship? Am I going to be feeding my ego? So these are all the questions I need to ask. Or அந்த பாத்திரத்தை அவ்வளோ பளபளன்னு to make that pot shine. So which of these should I give the top priority?
So then things will automatically fall in place when you think about these things. It's easy to review. Because of this kind of consciousness, this was the result. That means I need to observe, I need to be open to see what is going on. Because we cannot just look at one thing and take a decision. This utensils are not shining and then make a statement just based on one probably fact in this case, But then what all went on, we have to see the whole picture, like who is there, what is their role, and what have I interacted, what is the quality of my relationship. All those things need to be examined.
No, as they said, say if I'm asking a 10-year-old to do, of course they're not going to have, maybe if I need to give them reasonably clean pots to clean so that they feel good that they've done it well. I can't give them a pot which is dirty from 10 years and then say, hey, make it clean. I have to make it easy for them to do so they know I can do it. So இது வந்து அதுவும் இந்த ஊர்ல அதுவும் அந்த I don't know இந்த ஊர்ல சொல்லக்கூடாது. I think last 10-12 years this positive reinforcement, you're really good, you're really doing well, அதெல்லாம் ஒரு விதத்துல ஏமாத்து. Because it's not based on fact, it's not based on reality. So அதனால தான் I need to be very aware. So நான் யாருக்கு இந்த பாத்திரத்தை தேய்க்க கொடுத்திருக்கேன், அவளுக்கு என்ன எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸ் இருக்கு, so அவளுக்கு to make it a pleasant experience, I need to get them out of that experience really nicely, so that they will next time they'll come and offer. Okay. Yes. You are the artists.
Yeah, artists அழகு, கலைநயம் இது ரெண்டு தான் first.
Yes.
And
it is like how you do it.
Yeah. And
yeah.
So we will look at the shapes and all and admire it.
Yes.
And then clean it very well in a good way. And then தொடச்ச பிறகு அழகா அடுக்குறது.
See each one, so unique points each one. Did you see that? That's a very good.
So did anyone feel it was actually cleaning pots? Not really. It's about just you being you. It's your self-state of being.
It's my consciousness in all my thoughts, actions, and the final.
The window கிட்ட கழுவணும். Why don't we have a beautiful pot of flower there? So கழுவும் போது ஒரு அழகான
Yeah, so you get all these ideas as well because you're in your creative space.
Yes.
So so
and even what she said was like, I'll be looking at the dirty vessels and I'll be drawing that. After I clean that, I'll draw how well I'm doing.
Not to see the brings some sort of happiness.
So can you see here the process going there in the mind? You already have a particular kind of, it is the consciousness which brings that vision. I want to keep this house clean. As a result, accordingly to the consciousness, the mind makes the thoughts, and then you make the decision that I will do this action, and in the end what happens? Your sanskars. You are very peaceful with what you have done. The result of such an action is going to bring out some very good feelings.
There was a decision on the outcome and also the long-term practice of it as well. So பாருங்க எல்லாம் ரெடி பண்ணி கொடுத்திருக்கேன்.
But unfortunately, I had to raise a pot. What are they raise a good pot, keep it clean, everything. But if they don't wash the dishes, how will they cook the next meal?
What I observed is they are telling, this is not our job, just for the sake of doing, we'll do it. And we don't clean properly. And just for the sake we are finishing.
Is he telling the truth? I was looking at your face.
And they are telling, I say, Our work is they always worry about the husband and the children. That is only the working. All the way in the office, that is working. So but then we don't take the responsibility just for the sake of washing, for the sake of
It's just a chore. It's
Yeah.
just a chore.
Yeah.
It didn't have your involvement in it.
no involved, that's it.
Okay.
No responsibility, they don't take the responsibility.
And the anger too.
Okay, why am
Why
I
am I
supposed to do
supposed to
this?
do
Why
this
am I
kind of
doing
job
this?
all the
So
time?
that highlights the role consciousness of, I'm an office person, I'm not
Please
a
don't take this
ego.
home, huh?
He never does. One day if he does something, get angry, otherwise he won't do it. He will do, but it's
அவரெல்லாம்
not
ஊர்ல இருக்கணுமே முதல்ல.
ஆ?
அவர் ஊர்ல இருக்கணும்.
good.
Anyway, that's all good. Okay, as a 10-year-old.
This is the most
Yes.
interesting.
But their first question is, why did my mom ask me to wash it as a 10-year-old? I might break the pots or pans or whatever it is, and maybe the sink is too high for them to wash. What else?
Anything that's missed out, you want to add?
Yeah, that's Amma's job.
Okay, that's very important to know.
See, it is like knowing the
So,
role.
நம்ம வீட்டுல
My original qualities are purity, peace, and love. I have everything I need.
It's a nice experience anyhow. Thank you very much for
thank you
help
for,
and this.
coming,
It's a wonderful experience here at Wilton, and probably would like to get back to here sometime later. And always welcome to Canberra.
This is Ami.
Have a good time.
Please take Ami
Please take everyone. A special thanks to Mr. Kalirajan for organizing this, and also to Sundar.
நன்றி எல்லாருக்கும் நன்றி எல்லாருக்கும்
இல்ல அது இனிஷியேட் பண்ணது இவர்தான். The credit வந்து இவருக்கு தான் போகுது.
Initiate பண்ண
அவர்
எல்லாருடைய
last 3
ஒத்துழைப்பு
months
இருக்க போய் தான் நடக்க
he
முடியும்.
started it 3 months ago. He announced it 3 months ago. He made it a great
In fact,
success.
the idea was mooted by him.
Yeah.
So we thank you
We
for
thank
giving this
Keerthan
idea.
also,
Yeah,
he
because
started,
in fact,
yeah.
you are the one
Yeah,
who started.
You are started.
You're the one invited me there, eh? So credit goes to you.
தலைவர் தான்.
யாரு ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் வந்திருக்காங்க?
First time இவங்க இல்ல ஒருத்தருமே first time
first
இல்ல.
time.
இப்போ எல்லாம் வந்து கலஞ்சி போச்சு.
Not anymore first time.
முடிஞ்சு போச்சு. இப்பதான் சொல்லிட்டு வந்தார் பாஸ்ட் மறந்துருங்க இப்போ பிரசன்ட்ல லீவ் பண்ணு.
Just show. That's it.
வீடியோ நம்ம மறந்து போட்டோமா நின்னுட்டே இருக்கோம் ஏதாவது பேசணும்